welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Shay, and today I'm bringing you my highly requested and long awaited wash and go routine. A lot of you guys have hit my DMs, hit my messages like, Shay, what do you use? What steps do you take? What do you do differently that I'm not doing? So I'm going to get my wash and go routine started for you guys right now. So as you just saw, I went, or you didn't see, but I went and just dipped my hair in lukewarm/hot water. So that's just to get my hair all nice and soaked so that I can go in and get my wash and go started. So to shampoo my hair, I use the OGX brand, and I use the Nourishing plus the coconut milk line. Before I go and give y'all all the goods and the tips and the teas to getting a bomb wash and go, make sure that you are following me on all of my social media, my Instagram, my Twitter. Make sure that you are hitting that subscribe button and that bell notification so that you guys know every time that I upload. I know that I've been gone. I know, I'm sorry, school and life and everything got in the way, but I'm back now. We better. So let's get right to it. So, yes, I did get shampoo on my face. It looked like, y'all know what it looked like. But when I shampoo, I just shampoo regularly. I don't split my hair into sections anymore because my wash and go day routine already takes a long periodically time already. So I just stopped splitting my hair into sections and then just started shampooing my whole head at once. So I just really try to concentrate on to like my scalp and my roots because that's where all the dirt and bacteria and old gunk and old gel lies. So I really just try to focus on that scalp area, and then when I wash out the shampoo, it runs down to the shaft and the ends of the hair. So those sections do get shampooed as well. So after I shampoo my hair, I just go in and wash it out with that lukewarm/hot water. And then I just go in and condition my hair with the same brand. It's the OGX Nourishing and Coconut Milk line. I really like the coconut milk line from this brand because it just leaves my hair nice, soft, and nourishing. It doesn't leave it dry, it doesn't leave it feel like sandpaper. It just leaves it nice and refreshed, and still I get that clean feeling. So right now I'm just splitting my hair into sections. When I condition my hair, I like to split into sections since I am detangling in this process and trying to get out all the knots, trying to get out any extra gunk that I may have forgotten about when I shampooed. So in this section, during this time, I do section my hair into 4 sections. So right now I just wet it again so that it can be nice and damp so that the conditioner can seep on right through. So when I condition, I take a nice big blob of conditioner. I don't use a dime size amount. I don't know what a dime size amount is. I've never heard of her. And then I just use my fingers to detangle. Yes, you heard me correctly. I said my fingers. No, I don't use a comb. No, I don't use a detangling brush. No, I don't use a Denman brush. I don't use any tools but the tools that God gave me, and those are my fingers. When I switched to finger detangling, I just saw so many benefits. There was less shrinkage, there was less frizz, there was less hair shedding, less hair coming out from knots. And it is essentially therapeutic to me. Yes, it does take longer, but for all of those benefits, it's like worth the extra time that you're putting in. And it's a little therapeutic. Just throw on some music, throw on some gospel, throw on some hip hop, throw on some R&B, and you'll be good to go. So switching to finger detangling was one of the main changes that I made in my daily wash day routine, and I do believe that is what got my hair to grow and what got my curls to be more defined. So I am a high voucher for switching to finger detangling. I definitely see the benefits that it reaps. yes, you do get hair coming out when you finger detangling, as I'm showing you all here, but it's not as much as, for me, it's not as much as what came from when I would use a tool. So as I'm distributing the conditioner with my fingers throughout my hair from root to shaft to end, I do it 2 times. The first go around, I take out any knots, any hair shedding that may have come out, and then I go in and do it another few times, and then whatever knots come out from there, that should be all of the knots that I have, and then I go in and twist and wrap it up into like a little bun so that the conditioner can sit and nourish and moisturize my hair. So after I have the conditioner throughout all 4 sections of my hair, I just let it sit there as I go in and do the rest of my shower routine. So I'm just going to do that, and then I will be back when I am done. Okay, so right now I'm just showing you all of the hair that came out while I was finger detangling. This is from my whole head, my whole entire head. So if this didn't convince you to switch to finger detangling, sis, you're just a lost soul at this point, because the proof is in the pudding. So right now I'm just washing the conditioner out of my hair, and then I'm going to get into the rest of my wash and go routine. And I do like to do my wash and goes section by section, so I don't rinse out the conditioner all in one section. I like to rinse out the conditioner in one section, then do the wash and go with my cream and my gel, and then go on to the other sections. So I'm showing you all the cream that I use. I do use right now I'm using the Curls Blueberry Bliss Twist and Shout cream. For my first gel, I'm going to be using the Mielle Pomegranate and Honey Line, the Coil Sculpting Custard. And then for my last gel, I'm going to be using the Wetline Xtreme gel in the blue color. So for my wash and goes, I do use 1 cream and 2 gels. I just feel as though the cream is just to moisturize my hair, get my curls to be moisturized and nice and conditioned. And then I go in with a lightweight gel just to get my curls to show up and pop. And then I use like a more heavy set gel just to hold everything together, so that when I do get out the shower and I go out and there's humidity and everything, my hair isn't poofing up. The curls are keeping together because of that thicker gel. So one mistake I did notice while I was editing this video is that I did not get all of the product throughout my hair. As I turn around, you all will see that there's like a glob of cream and gel that got accidentally left in there. You just want to make sure that you are running your fingers. If you are going to use your fingers, you're running your fingers from the literal root of your hair. So whatever section you're working on, you want to hit scalp, you want to hit head when your fingers touch it, all the way to the end, so that you're just distributing the product all the way through. No section is being left frizzy. All your curls are popping, all your curls are being defined, so that it all looks unified. So because I do my wash and go section by section and I don't rinse the conditioner all the way out, I wait until I reach that section. Sometimes the wash and go section that you did just do will get caught in the water. So what I like to do is either ponytail it up, or if I don't want dents, I'll just take one of my hands and hold it so that it doesn't get in the water, or I'll just flip it to the other side. So that's just a quick pro tip if you are going to do it section by section and not wash out the conditioner all at once. So with the front of my hair, my curls are a little bit looser. It's not as tight as the middle and back of my hair. So I do have to pay more close attention, give it more love and TLC. So if your hair is like that, just make sure that you're just putting extra gel. Don't put extra cream, because when the gel and the cream mix, it'll leave like a white cast when it dries and everything. So after you put in your gel, after you put in the cream and the lightweight gel, when you get that thicker gel, just make sure that you're really raking it through with your fingers or your comb or brush or whatever you're using. Just make sure you're raking it all the way through, and just make sure you're putting a lot so that all the curls are defined and everything just looks unified, so that it doesn't look like you have a different curl pattern even though you do. It's hard for us three type curl pattern girls. If you got more than 2 type curl patterns, put it in the comment section below. I feel your pain, sis. I feel your pain. And I cannot stress this enough, because as I'm going through this video, I'm noticing that I really did not rake all the product through my hair as best as I could. Make sure that you are raking it. If you're going to use your fingers, make sure you are raking it from the root, so from the top root, from scalp all the way to the ends, and make sure that you aren't neglecting your ends so that the ends curl nicely and you get that nice curl at the end. So after I have put the cream and the 2 gels throughout my whole entire hair, as you all can see, that frizzy section at the top, I just take a soft brush and I just brush it all the way down. I brush any gel that's still on my hair. I just brush it down so that it lays down properly. And that is pretty much the end of my wash and go routine. As I turn around, you all will see like some of the sections that I missed that look really frizzy and don't have any product in it. But just remember to rake all the product throughout your hair. I hope you all enjoyed this wash and go routine. This is normally the routine that I do every time that I wash my hair. I either just switch up the cream and the gel and just try out different combos. If you have any combos that you want me to try out, any brands you want me to try out, or you want more tips, just put it in the comment section down below, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye!